Come myself.
Myself.
So
what my come myself?
Say yourself.
Yourself.
Yeah, you yourself.
Myself. I was trying to say. Mr. Man.
Yeah.
Again.
I'm Jehovah's Witness. So I'm here
spread
to
God.
Yeah.
Spread the gospel.
So I'm here to spread the
Evangelism, right?
word of God to your sister.
Come on.
Come on. I use come on 15. Yeah.
Come on, I say come on 15.
What is it? I'm angry. Is that how to talk to your sister? What? You think I'm your mate or what? Like, I don't understand you. What do you want me to do now? So, I come to us. I know Okasa's sister home. Ah, you're right, Mama, but what? They say then episode. Ah, it's go back to that meeting this time. I'm hungry, go back. You don't worry, like I'm going out. I want to prepare some oil rice beef. Hey, what about you? Shenanimu gone and no. I'm going to
escort you.
No, let me go. I'll come right now. Why are you like this? You just go. I'll come right now, okay? Don't worry, just go. No, you know. Hey, you know what? Listen to me. Don't do this to me, okay? You know I love you, eh? See your face. Metal bro, eh? Don't worry, okay? You just. Hey! Then this you rag on a commercial bank. Put your comment, but metal bro, don't worry, okay? I'll come right now. If you're not both, maybe already my phone, my share with you. Me person, question them, eh? Oh my God, this girl is so difficult. I don't understand you. Put it, me kwaba. Why? Men pio. All right. Be a good girl, okay?
Miss Inazo.
Offended.
Let me catch Miss Anwas and be a to me.
Assembly.
Somebody did them with you. I want to be my local washroom. I get you one. I mean, welcome jump to if you when I'm a number will take public. Because you are going to be him. So what's that gonna do? I don't know. Don't go. I want to. Best of the call was it. Pardon me. Follow me. Pardon. Enra. What are you doing? Long. We are judges. Me, Miss Impossible. I want to double.
I'm coming to
Come myself.
Myself. So what my come myself?
Say yourself.
Yourself.
Yeah, you yourself.
Myself.
Okay.
So
say
myself.
I don't say yourself. If you go to do yourself, say what yourself. Yourself. Akete. My name is Emmanuel Beyou. I am. I think what do you say?
My name is Wendy.
Hey, boss. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Yeah, Savage Chef, you are
My
quiet, I'm Major Charles. Stop you. How my name? I don't like myself again. Afternoon.
My name
Major Charles, my sister can myself with you. Make out okay. Okay, afternoon. Yeah, Miss Moya, no was your way. Now going.
Can be Jack a cry anymore. No more now with DJ with you.
Come out with Joe.
Oh, don't worry. Don't say we are no day.
I won't worry.
Yeah, see.
Mate, you will come and take the bank and carry him. And I say, I'll come to my family. I'm going to send me. Send them to share this. I say,
what I say, I know what they
are not here.
My name is Wendy.
How old are you? You are 7 years. How food do you like? No. Fufu?
No. Tilapia.
And you see, I shall just say, traveling to all this. Is it kind of easy? Because the man,
I didn't know.
send me Busano, more fool. Hey, On say come on say no say akwan yes am nsuan me tena manda wo amache no na me suan dictionary me che how are you na me hu say how are you no twi ni say is it me ka ka wo
okay ofa ka ba ko na me
I was a better me can be me can jiro can ma say Akete
Pacham topi.
Pacham pedi.
Pacham pediawa.
Eh, ya kokwa uni jawari. Wana chero jawari.
Pacham mama na chero.
Sa.
Pacham. Pacham say.
2 cedis. Me ma say.
Pacham paba.
That's why.
Pacham.
Hello. Hey, Obefia.
Customer.
I was watching when this Saturday.
The see the market in shada you.
I asked them we said they journey the baby out. I we are going to say film me baby baby.
Oh no. Me ma de.
I'll show you boy there some one more style now.
Eh, oh no.
Hey, found here.
14 cedis.
Hey, dear
Dada.
Dada Bay. What did you come with?
50% spending there. And you will send your winning price. Like 50%.
Yeah, fashion de mama never me. We are Santi Cosia.
Me pass you a penny.
Come here for bonus for costume.
Me pass you a penny beer.
Sir, the money.
Me ma say.
You too.
And that 2 the best one. Anna, in your over.
Yeah, very free me so.
Hey, no.
Why dream bonnet some never was so I don't want to Michelle feel.
But I don't want.
No one money in a be or
Before you a penny.
you will be beer of you just said the mini anyway. The papa can't punch him, I'm robbery and much.
What do you
Come on, and I'm going to
Jones is an hard. Bye you.
I lie no.
Matias. Oh no.
Matias.
Oh no.
I have friend you.
Matia, I'm a friend.
my job me the kind of first one my name papa pesa kwa ngao papa papa last one papa shishi papa shishi majo one wine me me nyao ana si me nyao kajaga kama hivi one you be try more then go fina ko
can't patch on me cool.
you akwa
I'm a crab.
bye bye Hey, oh, quite, Mamma Pie. Why? Some friend catching say, Madame Necasa, Mammy, why?
No, come here.
Uncle Jai. A day. Oh, come on, some finance.
Ah,
I just come back. I did come to our accommodate. Why? I want to do what I'm catching. And I say, that's a good view. Anybody, Macacho.
not true.
Hello. Someone do you wait on? So, what I did for who's a lie. A small boy. I would have call Fusa Beam. As I get Madam, you want to make up, feel by I lay that way. Let up, I say. Oh, Romana, Mumana, I say. Mamma send you guys who is the old Yeah.
Again.
Yeah, again.
What do you want to?
I need the iron and tennis. The Mukushan is Hi, how are you, Namete? And again, and what is it? There can I say? There can
What do you want here?
and I'm catching a mint.
Open there,
I didn't know how can what do you want to be 18? Sister be rest here. And honor me pen, my friend. Sister Cocobi's house just stretch. Somebody will be. Hey,
Mike.
Oh, so short now. Top you to.
That's my sister.
Who is that? No?
Yeah?
Your sister?
Yeah.
Biological blood.
Yes.
Moja. Hey, yes. The thing is, that day, I didn't my come, my young me, English, now my stomach ache. Yeah. Now, I'm Jehovah's Witness. You know Jehovah's Witness? The Nama, the cat, I'm good. So I'm here
spread God.
Yeah. So I'm here to spread the word of God to your sister. I'm here to spread the word of God to your sister. Yeah.
What?
Your word of God. Say word.
Is that your sister?
Sister. Yes. Sorry, forgive me. I didn't learn it. And a ram scheme. Yeah. I want to see your sister to preach word of God.
Really?
Yeah, really carpet. 85 years.
Come on.
Come on. I use come on 15. Yeah.
Phone. Come on, I say come on 15.
Come on 15. I use come on 15. That phone I'm using right now.
Hey, one that shall never end, Father Bernard.
He said phone come on, so I said come on 15.
Come on, I say. Now me spell COMEN. Your parents say come on. COMEON.
Spelling. The money am S and quantity. Say different word. Not from which word he say.
Dimechi.
They say follow me. I know me kai. Come on, 15. I will try it.
Stop with all the spelling not
to. Yeah, no.
Spell it sure.
And then yes you. I'm going to go preach answer. Yeah. Come on 15. Follow me. Follow me. Now watch it. Wait a minute.
Wait.
You mean train? Okay, yeah. What kind of that having? Small. You teach me. Wait, train. Come on, blah. Follow me, blah. Follow me. Wait. Come on. Yeah. Follow me. Wait. Come on. Follow me. Wait. Come on. Yeah, change. Yeah. Hello.
Hey.
Yeah.
It's like I met you on the road side.
Also, can't bluff us out. Yeah, we never pass on. And let's go on.
Okay.
Because yeah, okay, to the end.
Oh yeah, Makayo. I'm come with them number here, Gianni. But oh,
Obekwa na obejina.
I want to listen to the word of God.
No, how can make picture? Me call you over witness. Timi hu no ade e ka me say me preach no. Ti me say ko no ko na ka me no preach ke and ti ko.
You know what? Nyame asem de obi a entry akora hia panyin hia oluman to say obi a hia. Especially what you are say, almost say the say, good in Yamia some net to see or more, obeying nurse when you near could be what I say. Think I would like to obey Jana has said.
Yes, something called adult and kiss. Some things are not meant for kiss. Yeah, these are meant for adult. You preach word of God. Genesis from Genesis to Exodus is for kiss. Yeah, and you go to Deuteronomy to Revelation, that's for adult. Yeah, from there. I want to start from.
Why is it that we children, when you're done with our Sunday school, you're quite from adult.
Yes. You know something? Personal preaching. No, church is different. Me, mine is different. Yeah. So go and preach.
Like, all reactions crying, I'm sure. Be obey Kenya. Hey, you know what? You just go, okay? I'm coming.
I want to listen to the word of God.
Some things are meant for adults.
Hey, behave well. What is that? Sana material, Mr. Boadier. Or about Kenya, what do you call? The obey Kebiano. Like,
it is God's word.
Yeah, Genesis.
You know what? What would you also worry? Also, worry. Like, What's a Bible me will be one my deep penny come. I ain't your sack. And I understand him.
Genesis,
go.
Exodus, for case.
In case of anything, you just go. In case of anything, I will let you hear.
Yeah.
Okay, I will let you know. Don't worry.
Go.
Don't be difficult.
Difficult. Tomorrow I'll come and teach Genesis to Exodus, eh? That's for case. What's the meaning of difficult? Difficult, that's what kind of difficult.
As I made part of somewhere thing.
Difficult. I mean, wait. Come on, when you follow. I'm not a difficult account. I'm an afro.
I have some more. Maybe most of the people coming here.
I wouldn't part to say.
Oh, maybe the blessing.
Yeah. Oh, here before. Hey, you come on, mommy, horse. Me preach you. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. And me, you talk. I'm here for Papa.
Not me, you.
Yeah, I got do like this. Yeah.
Like I'm cooking over. I'm here.
And actually, what my mom said. I got it. I preaching.
Did you come here to preach or to propose to my big sister?
Huh?
Preach and propose. PR, Ram scheme, PR, preach and propose. I'm doing preaching. But maybe I'll add propose because it's in the Bible. PR.
Sister.
Yeah.
Can you see he's serious? He's not.
I'm preaching.
I don't even understand what it means.
Okay, fine.
I'm preaching.
I'm going.
Go.
Hey, what's we in pennies and I'm the question them, they are old and what church.
Now we are suffering.
Hey, how many pounds?
I'm preaching. You say I'm here to preach and propose. I'm here to propose. Okay. Me,
so the me and the crack and the crown and may me who tiano.
Only Mananko, Casa will hug to Mananko. I love you. I love you so much. Be my girlfriend. I love you. I love
you. Love who?
I said I love God because I'm a pastor. I love Jesus and everything.
Hey,
you love
God.
What's the be?
What check? What's wrong? Okay, Bible.
The thing is, everything in quotation is in my head. I preach and talk the word of God from the team say it's here.
You know what? Me person will you Bible quotation back when you now with your focus and then touching me.
Bible quotation now, love you no.
Yes.
Okay. Leviticus, you know Leviticus.
Hey.
Leviticus chapter 180 verse 1200. Or say,
I think you this guy, you are not serious. Hey. Stop what you are doing. Go. You just go.
Sister.
Are you warning me or what? You are a kid, though. Be careful, okay? Look at some you anyhow. As if me na me do what do you mean?
Mama can't go for Leviticus.
Shut up and leave.
I'm leaving.
You this guy, one cause I know you're serious. Now me try to make a mobile. Oh my God, see him.
Leave.
Now guy, but we were free for what did you make? Then it's still one in the trouser. Oh my God. Hey.
Yeah.
Who's right among you? Hey, blessing.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Hey, now what? Would you not inform Bema who I wouldn't Bema or be a brabum in your Nicolas? Why shall we know pennies and another commercial? Mr. Kitchen, I know you're preaching.
I am preaching. On the Kobai, I watch a kiss all Bible now when you
Yeah, I'm confused because I don't even understand him. He's saying 1% at time. We am penny some people. And come on, you dear cracket for like, and can you say found? So, I didn't know somebody who wants to say no, Patrick. I didn't know. What do you know about love? Like, when someone is talking about something like this, like, I don't understand. Why?
This thing is in you. I want a responsible man for you.
Me no. Now I wish I got your original and when in the trousers and you will travel away me the near day. Then it won't be near the idea. Oh no. Forget. I don't love him. You know I won't like this type of guy. Forget. You know your sister, right?
So just go inside. I'm gonna check.
All right, check for me. Check for. Who square? Who corner for one? Why they made no sign? I'm wired. Watch it. Men in at a move.
Okay.